Canada faces rising energy demand, harsh winters, and growing power shortages. A new solution emerges: the dual carbon battery, built entirely from carbon materials. Carbon is used for both the anode and the cathode, eliminating lithium, sodium, and heavy metals. This design removes thermal runaway. No fire, no explosion, even under extreme damage. It operates reliably from -40 degrees Celsius to +60 degrees Celsius, designed for Canada's extreme winters. Made from abundant carbon sources, ensuring stable supply, low cost, and environmental safety. With up to 500,000 cycles, maintenance needs stay low and long-term stability remains high. While lithium reaches 100 to 300 watt-hours per kilogram, dual carbon achieves 80 to 250, close in energy, far ahead in safety. China's EV industry demands ultra-high energy density and advanced fast-charging systems. Dual carbon's advantages don't match China's priorities. But Canada needs cold-resistant, ultra-safe, low-maintenance storage, exactly where dual carbon excels. Angee Capital is bringing dual carbon storage technology into Canada's energy landscape. Powerglass BIPV turns buildings into power generators. Dual carbon storage captures this energy, safely and without fire risk. For data centers facing MW-level shortages, our system delivers renewable generation and reliable backup, even at -40 degrees Celsius. Mining sites, telecom towers, EV hubs, remote communities, commercial and industrial buildings. Carbon-based batteries and BIPV can reshape Canada's energy system for the next 50 years. Join Angee Capital in building Canada's next-generation clean energy infrastructure. Contact admin@angeecapital.ca.